Yeah, the big story right now is the fact that we've got a line of storms moving into the Austin metro, smack dab right over some of the most populous cities in the area. So this will impact a lot of people. Not severe, but again, it's just the fact that this is heavy rain dropping visibility on areas that have already seen some heavy rain yesterday, in addition to the lightning threat. I was quite impressed with some of the lightning shows that we can see on some of our weather cameras, which, by the way, you can always see those online at KXAN.com. Georgetown, moderate to heavy rain falling right now. Look at the lightning that we've got closer to Liberty Hill. Leander picking up some heavy rain too. Gerald, you're seeing some rainfall. This is much needed rain again, but this is the last little bit before this ends. At the moment, downtown Austin probably just seeing some mist, drizzle, and fog, but this is slowly creeping our way. I've been noticing the lightning intensity has been picking up on our Indeed domain camera. We've got obviously a lot of clouds overhead. In that fog that's been laying on the ground from all that heavy rainfall yesterday is already leading to those low visibilities and kind of tough driving conditions. So I would highly encourage you to leave as early as possible. Temperatures are in the 40s to start, 70s this afternoon. I pause because that is not a mistake. We've spent the last few days in the 50s. Temperatures spiked today ahead of a cold front that moves in this evening. That 30% chance of rain is just for this morning. Once this clears, we're done. There won't be much in the way of significant rain after it, and really for the next 6 to 7 days. There's going to be just a couple spots of drizzle, but that'll be about it. Enjoy that sunshine we see just before sunset tonight, because the clouds come back overnight, and we're going to see mainly cloudy skies both Thursday and Friday. Let's talk about the wind chills tomorrow. If you're getting the kids ready and you're getting busy, just take a second to look at what we expect our feels like temperatures to be tomorrow morning. It's going to be rudely cold, especially in the fact that last week we were waking up to 60s. It's going to feel like teens and 20s tomorrow morning. In the afternoons, I mean, we won't get out of the 40s tomorrow, and that's just the air temperatures that the thermometer is going to show you. Those gusty winds stay with us through most of the day. It's not even going to feel like 46. It's going to feel like upper 30s. Tomorrow is going to be a huge contrast expect today. Now Friday, we start to transition back to the warmer temperatures Saturday, ahead of another cold front. Look at these low temperatures, 30s. Thursday, Friday, Sunday, and Monday. New this morning, the data trended colder heading into next week. So unfortunately, we are expecting another widespread freeze. 7-day forecast. As mentioned, the temperatures are all over the place, from the 70s today, cold tomorrow, cool Friday, warm again Saturday, back to cold as we get into Sunday. Monday, Tuesday in the 60s, chance of drizzle tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, and then again Tuesday. Coldest night looks to be Sunday night into Monday with a widespread freeze, then potentially a cold storm with a very low risk of wintry weather right now next week. It's something we're going to keep an eye on and, of course, let you know as we get closer. But it is Wednesday, and wanted to talk about your First Warning Weather University lesson of the day. The February snow moon, our full moon for the month of February, rising right now. That peaks at 7:53 this morning. It's named because of the heavy snowfall that we typically see in the month of February. Maybe not here in Texas, but elsewhere. I mean, we were talking about up to half a foot of snow in the D.C. area. But this is going to appear full tonight when we have mainly clear skies, and then again tomorrow night. That is your First Warning Weather University lesson of the day.